So Q's are bouncing right now. Look at this huge squeeze. Wow, look at this big pop.
Might be, yeah, this might be the kind of at least temporary bounce we've been waiting to see. So we'll keep an eye on things and see. It'll be important to see how we close out the day. If we go out on the highs of the day, that'll be, we'll likely see a turnaround Tuesday. So, all right.
Turnaround Tuesday, I like that. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. What a crazy day again in the market. Sorry about the recap on Friday. I'm trying to test a new camera, and I'm just having trouble with this new program to read the feed from the camera. So I'm using different programs. So I kind of messed up the sound on the other one. So sorry about my voice. It's just a little bit... I'm still stuffy a little bit from the COVID that I got a few weeks ago, and not fully recovered. So the market gapped down today. It's interesting because the futures last night popped up, but gapped down significantly in the morning. Couldn't really hold these levels that they had in the pre-market, and then really started selling off. So the Fed's meeting is in Wednesday. Obviously, there's a lot of questions about the interest rate, and everyone is in the risk-off mode. It means that they're not really trying to risk anything, including even Apple or Microsoft are down 3%. So at the open, we had a little bit of an issue with the quotes from DAS, so it was a little bit delayed. The orders were apparently getting filled correctly, but what you were seeing was not sync. It was like 1 minute delay. Eventually, it seems to be get better, but at the open, it was really hard to trade. I really wasn't sure that what I'm trading. I tried to catch this opening range breakup on Apple. It did pop up, but I quickly got out because I wasn't really sure that what I'm seeing is correct. Same as TQQ, trying to catch this opening range breakup, and TQQ popped up. I did some stuff, but eventually I got out of it. And I didn't really trade for almost half an hour, 45 minutes, until we saw the market really sold off and tried to make this bottom. I tried to go long. I got stopped out, and once again at 51.86, we got this. Brian got this with TNA. I got this with TQQ and SPXL. So that was a really nice pop that we got from 51.80 all the way up to 53.20 on TQQ. So obviously that was a really nice trade. That's exactly the area that Q's got had level at 342. So that was very interesting. That's SPXL. Where's SPXL here? So as you see here, SPXL at around 102. We got this long popped up all the way up to 106. So that was a really nice pop. We'll see how the market is doing. And obviously Qs are now down 3%, which is a very, very significant. And on a daily chart, it looked like we are on the Qs, we are down more than 15%. So we are really getting into the bear market territory. So anything below 20% is going to be in a bear market territory. So very interesting to see how the market is doing. Today was a little bit unfortunate because of this DAS issue, but it doesn't happen very often. But if it happens, you have to quickly reduce your share size. Plus, you have your broker account directly. For me, I had TWS, so make sure that the orders are getting filled correctly and you don't have any open position or closed position. Because again, what you see in the chart sometimes it lacks. In the last 6-7 years, I think maybe a few times that I saw this happen. But especially in a volatile day like today, it's very important to make sure that you are protected and check your account. So that's from me. I know Brian did a really couple of nice trade on Lucid and also TNA. So Brian, how was your trading day?
Yeah, well, you covered the TNA trade. We kind of traded different indexes, but they all responded the same when we did finally catch a bit of a bottom. But yeah, Lucid, I was watching from swing trading review and videos, and it kind of looked interesting to me at the open as we were going into the open. Looked like it was trying to hold the VWAP or just above it, and I just caught it on a breakout.
I got that nice breakout. My screen from VWAP 3663. You got this one all the way up to the green. That was really interesting.
Yeah. And then I traded it again. I tried to play a double bottom, didn't work out, got stopped out, but then I did get re-enter it again, and now got that nice bounce back as well. So yeah, just trading Lucid today was Lucid and TNA. And like you said, it's, you had to kind of switch gears just to be because we were having some technical issues this morning. So
So Q's,
it was a decent day.
yeah, it turned out to be a decent day. It's a volatile day. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if today market closes plus 2%. Look at how TQQ and SPXL is bouncing now. It's just unbelievable that they had this volatility. It's really good. If you know how to trade and if you can manage your risk, the volatility is really, really good. So for me, it turned out to be a really, really solid day. So yeah, you know, it was over $10,000 day. So it was really, really good. Very happy with that. Yeah, so, and I have this still open positions that is sitting there in my account. So pretty good. So I'm pretty happy on that front. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. To this week, we're gonna have full week of presentations and webinar. So we're gonna see how it goes, and yeah, see you tonight. So if you're a new member and if you're watching us in YouTube, if you have any question, just make sure that the comments. Also, we have an onboarding class at 7. I think Carlos and Mike are going through how you can learn from trading. This is a very nice, volatility, but of course, you should know exactly how to trade and how to manage your risk. So it can be very also dangerous to trade right now. So yeah, if you have any question, email me. So Q's are bouncing right now. Look at this huge squeeze. Wow, look at this big pop.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, have a good day, guys.
Yeah, this might be the kind of at least temporary bounce we've been waiting to see. So we'll keep an eye on things and see. It'll be important to see how we close out the day. If we go out on the highs of the day, that'll be we'll likely see a turnaround Tuesday. So, all right.
Turnaround Tuesday. I like that. All right. Have a good day, guys, and talk to you soon.